A major clean energy breakthrough developed in India could soon reduce the country's dependence on imported LPG. Scientists are working on dimethyl ether, commonly known as DME, a cleaner fuel that is emerging as a strong alternative to conventional LPG. The technology is being developed at CSIR National Chemical Laboratory. Researchers say the innovation has the potential to strengthen India's energy security and support the country's push towards self-reliance. DME is considered a clean burning fuel. It can be produced using coal, biomass, and methanol. These raw materials are already available in India. This means the fuel can be produced domestically without depending heavily on foreign energy supplies. Scientists say the project is not aimed at replacing LPG overnight. Instead, DME will initially be blended with LPG in a phased manner. The proposed blend is expected to contain 20% DME and 80% LPG. One of the biggest advantages is that consumers will not need to change their kitchen setup. Existing LPG cylinder stoves and regulators can continue to function normally with the blended fuel. This makes the transition easier and more affordable for households across the country. Experts believe the move could significantly cut India's LPG imports. Officials estimate that using the DME LPG blend could reduce LPG imports by nearly 20%. This would help save valuable foreign exchange and reduce pressure on the country's import bill. The project has gained attention at a time when India is trying to reduce dependence on imported energy amid global uncertainty and volatile fuel prices. Rising geopolitical tensions and supply disruptions have increased conscience over energy security worldwide. Researchers say DME also offers environmental benefits. The fuel burns cleaner than many traditional fossil fuels and produces lower emissions. Scientists believe it can play an important role in India's transition towards cleaner and more sustainable energy. The major highlight of the project is the role of young Indian scientists. Officials say several researchers involved in the innovation choose to stay in India and work on domestic challenges instead of pursuing the opportunities abroad. Scientists at the laboratory say the focus is not only on developing an alternative fuel but also on creating indigenous technology that can support India's future energy needs. They believe homegrown innovation will become increasingly important in the coming years. India has been actively promoting the clean energy, green technologies, and domestic manufacturing under its self-reliance initiatives. The DME project is now being seen as another important step in that direction. If successfully implemented on a larger scale, experts believe DME technology could transform India's energy landscape. It could help create a cleaner, more affordable, and more self-reliant fuel ecosystem for millions of consumers across the country. Officials say the innovation reflects India's growing capability in advanced scientific research and clean energy development. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.